Presenting the Auto Butler Customers for Life program. At your service.
The Auto Butler Polisher has over 20,000 soft, cloth-like fingers that gently yet thoroughly apply our protection products to the vehicle. This two-step system shields a vehicle's thin paint surface from the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays and creates a protective barrier against environmental hazards like tree sap, bird droppings, road contaminants, and acid rain.
Have you considered how you will maintain your car's painted finish? Even with covered parking or limited use, the uneven surface of your paint will lose its luster. This thin layer of paint is susceptible to damage and is not covered in your vehicle warranty or prevented by regular washing. Store-bought waxes applied by hand are costly, time-consuming, and often do not get reapplied on a regular basis. Some of these aggressive waxes can even damage the integrity of the paint, and once damage has occurred, it's irreversible. Auto Butler's paint protection system will maintain that new car shine for as long as you own it. In a two-step process that uses a specially designed polishing machine, a perfect durable finish is applied to the paint surface. The first step is to polish the car, effectively removing any contaminants and smoothing your paint. Then a special polymer is applied which molecularly bonds to its surface. This will protect the surface from common environmental damage like the sun's UV rays, bird droppings, tree sap, and acid rain. Every 6 months for the life of your warranty, Auto Butler will send you a reminder card to let you know when to schedule your free reapplication. If, in that warranty period, your car shows signs of damage, repairs will be made free of charge. After all, Auto Butler is the best value in paint protection on the market today.